Hello, my friends, it's Fold It time, and guess what? This one is absolutely, positively adorable. I wanted to say adorbs, but that sounds really weird coming from me, but it is absolutely adorable, and I love it so much. It is a Smore Fold-it, a s'more-shaped A2 size card. I know, right? Now, this is part of our Fold-it club. So it comes with the die itself. Look how cute that is. And also one of the stencils is it the faces. Isn't that cute? Now, let me turn this over really quick so you can see. You are getting the graham crackers at the top. You're getting the yummy melted chocolate, the marshmallow, and then a graham cracker at the bottom. Now, you are also getting faces, because hello, we need faces, right? And look how cute they are. You get to mix and match, so you can do these eyes with this mouth, or these eyes with that mouth, or whatever you want. The other stencil for this one is kind of like a double duty one, because here you have trees, big massive trees, right? But if you turn it this way, now you have mountains, and these trees can be stenciled on those mountains. Isn't that awesome? I know, it's really a fun one. I'm really excited about it. Now, club members, of course, you're getting the handy dandy postcard that goes with it, so you can see and check it out and know what's going with it and everything like that. And look at the cute little stencil packaging. Love it. Now, let's jump in and look at all the samples. Keep in mind, my friends, if you are not in the Fold-it Club, you cannot get this for a minimum of 1 year. It's exclusive to the Fold-it Club. And right now we're looking at about 15 months for the Fold-it Club items to come on the website. So if you're not in the Fold-it Club, get in now so you can get this die set. Look at how cute this is with our campfire. I absolutely love that. Here's a cute one, Let's Party S'more. And it's also using our More S'mores to Stamp set. Or, hello, look at that. You can also have it have a pink strawberry, so love it, with our little cake pieces at the bottom. Let's party s'more. Look at that. Let's make s'more memories. Happy birthday. I love that. That's so fun. So this is using a couple different things. It's using the pieces of cake to stamp and dies, the s'more stencil, the 3D inks, and the mini ink pads, and then also markers. Look at how cute that is. I love it. Now look at this one. It's so fun how different each team member made theirs. I love it. Now here's a cute one. Love you, s'more. So fun. Or you could have it say, I'm a happy camper. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I love those little faces, you guys. The little faces on here are just getting me each and every time. Each one has a different face, and they are just so much fun. Don't you love them? Now here's another one. Now remember, you could do a shaped card, or you could put it on a card base if you want to. This is on a 5x7 card base. Look how adorable that is. Happy birthday from the gang. That's also using the Fox to Stamp die set. That alphabet came in that die set. If you don't have that, I think that's retiring, so go get that ASAP. But look at how fun that is. Cute little s'mores over there. Open that up. Happy birthday. Birthdays are s'more fun with friends. Fold-it Club members, you are in. You don't have to worry about it. You are safe. Whew, you're getting this, don't worry. If you are not in the Fold-it Club, I highly recommend you join now so you can get in on this set. The monthly commitment's only 3 months. After 3 months, you can cancel at any time, because you know what? We know you won't want to. You'll love getting 15% off our entire website, no exclusions. You also get to earn club points. You get a freebie massive big die when you join the Fold-it Club, and we have so much fun. You'll even get a $15 gift certificate if you stay in the club a full year. I know, it's awesome. You got to go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. Click on join the club and just watch that video, because you know what? I have a feeling the hardest part for you to decide is which club to join. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. thank you so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.